kung saan may kaganapan, maparaliman o proklamasyon, hostage drama man o rescue operation, Mapamalacanang, Senado o Kongreso, naroon ang bagong henerasyong IBC News Team. Kahit saan, kahit kailan, walang iniinda, tuloy ang pagbabalita. Headline 13. Ihahatid sa inyo ni Ami Godinez Cuenco, Elmer Mercado at Karen Baihon. Headline 13, Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alas 4:30 ng hapon, mapapanood sa IBC 13.
Straightforward reporting of recent events with an in-depth analysis of currently burning issues, carefully and intelligently done with style. Keep up with the pace and be at par with the most comprehensive news on television. Anchored by today's new breed of women broadcasters. Headed by Karen Baihon, Alice Noel, Annalyn Veloso, Bernadette Sobrano, and Ana Marie Soriano. Watch CTN Midnight Daily at 12, only here on IBC 13. Straightforward reporting of recent events with an in-depth analysis of currently burning issues, carefully and intelligently done with style. Keep up with the pace and be at par with the most comprehensive news on television. Anchored by today's new breed of women broadcasters, Alice Noel, Annalyn Veloso, and Bernadette Sembrano. CTN Midnight, your window to the nation and to the world. Watch it daily at 12 midnight, only here on IBC 13.
Sa Lunes, ika-11 ng Mayo, mapapakinggan na ang Hatol ng Bayan. 29 hours of non-stop news update comes to you live nationwide. Ihahatid sa inyo ng IBC 13 kasama ng Radio Veritas at ng Filipino Star. Botohan 98, mapapanood sa Lunes, ika-11 ng Mayo, mula alas 7 ng umaga. Huwag kaligtaan ang pinakamahalagang kasaysayan ng ating bayan. Botohan 98, dito lamang sa IBC 13. Saksihan ang hatol ng bayan. Pakinggan at suriin ang pinakamahalagang kaganapan ukol sa halalan. Sa magkatuwang na pagsasaliksik ng IBC News Team at ng 42 himpilan ng Radio Veritas kasama ang Filipino Star. Botohan 98, 29 na oras na tuloy-tuloy na pagbabalita ang sasa inyo sa Lunes, ika-11 ng Mayo, simula alas 7 ng umaga. Botohan 98, dito lang sa IBC 13. Ang Botohan 98 ay hatid sa pakikipagtulungan ng PLDT, Touching Lives.